Yes, hello guys, welcome back to Forex Clubhouse. I'm so sorry I promised you earlier about the price action stuff, but I couldn't resist sharing this wonderful strategy with you. Now let's go to the settings as usual. As you can see, this strategy comprises for only two indicators, that are the moving average and the MACD. What are the setups? For the case of moving average, the period is 55, shift 17, method simple, apply to close, style for pixel, color for me it is gold. You click done, but for me I just go back since I've already saved them. For the case of the MACD, it is first EMA, it is 8, 10, 8, low. The styles, make sure the styles have a color, and the levels, no, they don't mean much on the MACD, so you can leave the levels out of this and you click done. Guys, let me remind you to subscribe and comment below. Comments will mean to me a lot, although I sometimes get bad comments, but naysayers will always be there no matter how good you try to be, so they don't bother me at all. But if you think this strategy will help you, comment below and put a like there. Now, how to use this latest and easiest strategy of all. Whenever the moving average on the main chart crosses with the candlesticks on the indicator window, you see the MACD is below the 0.00 digits. For boom, you take a trade, you take a sell trade. As you can see, this one is it's happening right now, and it's a perfect entry to take a trade, but you should wait for at least two candles to pass by before entering a trade, in order to be sure. But an important note to note, the MACD should be below the 0.0000 digits. As you can see here, it is a perfect entry to take a trade. Okay, it's a very perfect entry. Now for the case of crash, let's go to the crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. So how to use this on crash 1000? Whenever the moving average crosses the candlesticks on the main chart and the MACD it is above the 0.0000, you take a trade. Okay, you take a trade, and I usually scalp 5 candles, since I use a lot size of 1, so 5 candles, it's $5. It is more than enough. If you take 5 trades a day and you take $5 on each candles, it's enough for buying a kid's toys for Christmas and so on. If a crossover occurs on the main chart, but on the indicator window number 1, the MACD says otherwise. That's what do we mean by saying otherwise? Let's say, for example, crossover occurs here as usual. That's first step. But on the MACD, this line, the EMA are below the 0.00 digits. For the case of crash, leave that trade. Don't be greedy. They are always in 24 hours. There are always a perfect trade. Just wait for the perfect time to take a trade. Keep your money safe. Don't rush to lose your money. You see? Now guys, I usually keep changing the strategies here and there, because like it or not, these strategies tend to expire due to market fluctuations. The strategy that used to work on January isn't the same as if it used to work as if it would work now on December. That's not the way it is, because the market moves due to a lot of factors, corona, do a lot of factors in short. So guys, I got a V75 strategy on price, and so far has been making profits for me, and I'm thinking of shifting to this volatility 75, as there's a lot of money compared to boom and crash. So I will post a strategy on V75, and so if you are interested to see how it works, don't forget to watch my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. The comments they are what which keeps me from going, knowing that I help some people out there. So guys, bye bye, safe.